Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. This video guys will be working here on a Dodge Journey. That same vehicle in the rest of the world is known as Fiat Freemont. Two identical vehicles under two different names. So, what we'll be showing you today guys, if you have a problem with your instrument cluster or gauges and they're not working, we'll show you guys, okay, which two fuses to check. Okay, those are the gauges, they're not lighting up, so stay with us and we'll show you now which fuse to check. There are actually two. One of them is obvious, okay, it's stated in the manual. The other one is a little bit hidden. It's actually for something else too, but it's for the instrument cluster as well. So let me go ahead and show you now. We need to go to the passenger side, and we already removed our glove box, but you do not need to do that. The only reason we removed it is so we can stick the camera and have a little bit more room to make the video. Now, right here guys, underneath, okay, you have that fuse box. This is towards the door. You can see that that's the door. On the right side you have that cover on top of it. And this cover, you remove it by pulling that thing this way and pull it down. Now the fuses that we need to check guys, okay, the obvious fuse is cluster, it says cluster, and it's fuse number 108. 108, it's a 15 amp fuse, so this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4th fuse right here. So if we go to the fuse box, you'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this fuse right here. This is the one for the cluster. Now the not so obvious one guys, it's fuse number 130. It's part of the HVAC system as well. So this one is the 4th fuse, okay, if you come, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, this fuse right here. So either one of those two fuses guys could be for the instrument cluster and causing trouble. So check both of them are 15 amp fuses. You can find the replacement fuses that we have in the description of the video below where we get our fuses. So thank you guys for watching. Please. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.